Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Oluwatobi and on this channel we do food, lifestyle and music. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 30 video ideas on how to blow up here on YouTube in this year 2022 at no cost. Alright, so I'm going to be sharing with you 30 YouTube ideas or 30 video ideas to blow up here on YouTube. Alright, so guys, if you like to see this video, please do it to like it, subscribe, share. All right, so let's jump right into today's video. So in no particular order, we'll just start listing them out, and then when I can, I'll just explain. So we have the first one. We have story time. You can sit down, explain to people how you met your husband, or how you started up your business, or how you got a new land or new apartment and all of that, the hassle to get that apartment and all of that. Number 2, we have what I do in a day. People love to see that, or what I eat in a day, or how much I spend in a day. People love to see that as well. Number 3, we have reaction videos or first impression videos. Maybe you saw a new trend or a new video or a new song and you want to react to it. It's also good. Then we have number 4, we have first time videos. So maybe you went for maybe what they call it now, bungee jumping. What was your experience? You can explain the first time you went bungee jumping, or the first time you traveled on a plane and all of that. Number 5, we have challenge videos. You can challenge people to eat maybe a spicy meal and give them a certain amount of money. People love to see that because it's quite comic. All right. Then we have number 6, we have boyfriend tag, wife tag, sister tag, girlfriend tag, husband tag. People love to see that as well. Then we have number 7, we have relationship stories, or how we met. A video you can sit down and discuss with your partner how you met and what attracted you to the person or stuff like that, or basically relationship tips. That's another video. Then we have do's and don'ts. So this can be really you can specify this. You can make this specific to your niche. So maybe you are in a food business or you're a food content creator. What are the things that you're expected to do in the kitchen, or some of the things that you're not supposed to do in the kitchen or while you're cooking? That's a good idea. Then we have reacting to trending topics. Maybe there's a series or a show going on in your community or in your country. You can have a sit down and analyze it. That is what we talk. That's what reacting to trending topics is about. Then we have what's in my bag. That's another video people like to see. Then we have best products on a budget. People like to browse on maybe iPhone, a certain type of iPhone at under so amount, or maybe YouTube gadgets under YouTube, helpful video gadgets or video photography gadgets under $100, under $50. People love to see that as well. Then we have number 12, take comment suggestions. So you can, if you have a strong followership, you can ask people to give comments or give suggestions on videos they would like to see on your channel, or you could go to other people's content and they just browse on things that people are suggesting, and then you can always create that on your own platform. Okay. Then we have number 13, how to start video. So how to start a home garden, how to start a YouTube channel, how to start up a business. Those are some of the things that people love to see, and it's good ideas. Yeah. And then we have number 14, gift ideas. So there's an event coming and you don't know the particular gift to give someone. Maybe someone just gave birth, or someone is getting married, or someone lost somebody. People give gifts, so you can have a sit down and explain to people have a sit down or create a video on what people can give to different people at different occasions. Okay. Then we have transformation videos, how we went from this to that. Yeah. Then we have 16 time lapse videos. People love to watch a long video. There's a content or a content niche, or a niche where you just arrange a lot of clips with background videos. People love to see that as well. As long as 1 hour, 3 hours, people see that or people can leave it playing and then sleep off or do other things that they need to do. Then we have number 17, routine videos. So daily routines, night routines, skincare routines, all of that. Those are some of the routine videos. Then we have get ready with me. Get ready with me. People love to see how you get ready, and maybe for a particular event or just your daily life, how you get ready in a day. People love to see that. So number 19, we have must have apps. So you are a content creator or you want to be a content creator or an influencer. What are the apps that will be helpful for you to make good content? Yes, people love to see that as well. Then we have life hacks. What are the things that have helped you in the past? You like to share that with people. People love to see that as well. Number 21, how to edit videos for. So how to edit videos for blank. So you can edit videos, how to edit videos for YouTube, how to edit videos for Instagram, how to edit videos for TikTok. People love to see that as well. And then the next one is the best apps to use to edit your videos, or the best apps to use to create this content, or best apps to use to create YouTube intro videos. Like, people love to see that as well. Then we have ASMRs. Then we have, that's number 23. Then number 24, we have advice for. So if you can have you can create a video on like to advise people on how to start up a business, or advise people on like people that are just about to get married. You can advise them. You can give your advice based on your own perspective, not like and if you are a qualified counselor, you can always create a video and you start getting your money on YouTube. Okay. And then you can also create videos on like advise people, maybe if they are trying to relocate to another place and you're already in that place, you can advise them on the processes that they need to do or they need to take, or actions they need to take to be able to like transition or to move smoothly there, right? Then we have number 25, which is Q&A. So this, obviously you have a strong followership, or so you ask people to like send in your questions, and then you have a sit down and you reply all those questions. Yeah. Number 26, we have DIYs. So you have, maybe there's something that is not useful, you are not using, maybe a bottle, you are not using it again, and you want to recreate it to make it to become something beautiful and something useful again. You can use that. You can do DIYs, or maybe you want to like DIY yourself, stuff like that. Do it yourself. That's what DIYs mean. Okay. Then we have 27, how to earn and save money. So how do you earn and save money on different platforms? You can create content on that as well. Then we have 28, how to gain followers on these platforms. How to gain followers on YouTube, how to gain followers on Instagram, how to gain followers on TikTok and all of that, on those social media apps. You can also have a sit down or create content on how people can gain followers. Alright. Then we have 29, how to get monetized on social media platforms. So you can have a sit down, you can create content as well on how to create or how to get monetized on these platforms. Alright. And then finally we have public interviews. So public interviews is you get a topic, maybe Davido or Wizkid, University or Polytechnic, Asun or Gizzard, all those things, and you get people's opinion on it. So guys, those are the 30 tips or 30 ideas at no cost. So you see that you don't need to spend any money. It's something you just need your camera or your phone, and you just create your content and you start earning and you blow up on YouTube. So I hope you're really enlightened by these ideas, and you have ideas on you know what you want to start doing now on YouTube. Like you're not having that writer or creator block anymore. I hope with these few ideas I've given, I still have a lot. So if you'd like to see more, please leave it in the comment section and I will get around creating it. Alright guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.